favorite app soon, but first I have to blow dry my hair. So get ready with me while I get ready for my live stream. I also have a couple packages to open soon. I wish I could play music on here more often, but I can only do that every so often. Come on, here, sit next to me. Give me your hand and you'll see. I'll take you higher. Ooh, ooh, higher. Hey, hey. Come on, here, sit next to me. Just give me a chance and you'll see. Take you higher. High sound, high Trinity. I have some cool new products today that I'm gonna try. So, a lot of you, can you guys hear me? A lot of you have been noticing my hair looks softer. So I'm gonna tell you what I've been doing different. Oh. I need a fan in my room. Hang on. Oh my God, thanks, Johnny. How are you? Here, guys, I'm gonna make it so subscribers can comment, because it's like troll sessions. Okay. I've been doing something different with my hair lately, and I'm gonna explain to you why it's been looking softer and shinier and healthier. When I'm in the shower, I wash my hair first and I don't rinse out the shampoo. And yeah, so that's what I do different. I leave the shampoo in for like 3 or 4 minutes. God. Jenny, you're a Libra, right, Johnny? Okay. I bit my tongue the other day in 2 spots at once, and it's like really painful. Hi. Yeah, my hair is looking shinier and healthier and like softer because of how I'm washing it. Okay. Okay, that one's at 0. One what? Okay, I'll show you guys my new products after I'm done with my hair. The goal is to just do my hair really fast. Liberal mom, that's what I started doing. So, like, I didn't brush or floss my teeth in the shower today because I didn't. But usually I'll put the shampoo in my hair and then I'll like spend 2 minutes brushing, a minute flossing and rinsing. And then next thing you know, like the shampoo's been in my hair for like 3 minutes. And then I'll wash my body and then I'll wash the shampoo out and then I'll put the conditioner in it and like take my makeup off or something and leave the conditioner in it for a couple minutes. I didn't keep the shampoo in my hair as long today, but it was longer than what I used to do. So what I was doing is I was washing my hair, but I wasn't leaving the shampoo in my hair. Do you get what I'm saying? Hi. Hi, TJ, what's up? I'm just getting ready for the day. Grok, let's play a game while I'm busy getting ready. I want you to play a game with me called Smarter Than a 7th Grader, where you ask me one question at a time at a 7th grade level, and I answer it, and you tell me if I'm right or wrong, and then you go on to the next question.
All right, first one's easy. What's the capital of France?
Paris.
Right, next. What's the formula for the area of a circle?
Isn't it R squared?
Close, but let's be precise. It's pi r
Pi
squared.
equals pi r squared. Yes. Pi r
So,
squared.
name 3 main branches of the U.S. government.
Executive, judicial, and legislative.
Spot on. Last one for now. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
That's right. Want another?
Yeah, keep going until I say.
Cool. In math, what's 2/3 plus 1/3?
1/2.
Wrong. It's 1. Silly mistake, but math loves to trick us. Next, what's the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Correct. Here's one on history. In what year did World War II end?
1945.
Right again. Next, what gas do plants use for photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide.
Exactly. Next, what's the chemical symbol for gold?
AU.
All yes. That's correct. Question. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
William Shakespeare.
Right. Quick science one. How many hearts does an octopus have?
2.
No, it's 3. They need 1 for the body and 2 for the gills. Next, how many continents are there on Earth?
7.
Correct. Here, literature one. What's the name of Scrooge's partner in A Christmas Carol?
I forgot.
Jacob Marley. That's the answer.
I used to
Want a
love
hint on the
Jacob
next one,
Marley.
or
Yes, next question.
what do bees make besides honey?
Nests?
That's right. They do build nests. Wax nests, to be exact. Next, what's the currency of Japan?
Yen.
Yen. That's right. In science, what force keeps us on the ground?
Gravity.
Right. What's the longest river in the world?
The Nile. It's arguable, though, that it could be the Amazon, but the Amazon's wider. But the Nile is bigger by, like, how bigger? It's super close. It's the Nile.
Yes. Most sources still accept Nile. Good. Next, what's the square root of 64?
8.
Right. Next, how many sides does a hexagon have?
6. 6.
Right. Who discovered penicillin?
I don't remember.
Alexander Fleming. Next, name the planet that's closest to the sun.
Mercury.
Right. Quick one. What's H2O?
Carbon dioxide, which is water.
No. H2O is water. Carbon dioxide is CO2.
Why did I say that?
Want one more before
Dude,
you
why
leave?
did I say, I don't know why I said that. H2O is dihydrogen oxide, and it's water.
Yeah, that's right. Sometimes my tongue just moves faster than my brain. Go ahead. Give me the next question.
No, you have to give me the next question.
What do we call a baby kangaroo?
A Joey.
Joey. That's right. What season do leaves fall off the trees in the northern hemisphere?
The autumnal equinox.
Close enough. Autumn. Next, what's the capital of your country?
I live in the United States, and the capital is Washington, D.C.
Right you are. Final one. How many players are on a baseball team on the field at once?
12?
No, it's 9. Catcher, pitcher, 4 infielders, 3 outfielders. Close though. Soccer's 11. Want one last one?
Move it up to smarter than an 8th grader questions.
All right. Level up. Solve for x. 2x equals 7.
X equals 5.
That's right. X equals 5. Next, what's the Pythagorean theorem?
I forgot.
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Next, what causes tides in the ocean?
The moon's pull. The moon's pull. The moon's gravity. Hello?
Yes, gravity from the moon and the sun. Next, what year did the Titanic sink?
1913?
No, the Titanic sank 1912. It departed from England on the 10th of April 1912 and hit the iceberg 2 days later, the 20th to be precise. Next, what's the smallest bone in the human body?
I don't know.
Stapes, a little strip-shaped bone inside your ear. Next, what does DNA stand for?
Deoxyribonucleic acid?
Right. Next, how many valence electrons does sodium have?
5?
No, sodium has just one. It's group 1. Next, how many teeth does an adult human have?
32, but is that with or without wisdom teeth?
Including wisdom teeth. 32 it is. Next, what's the speed of light in vacuum in miles per second?
A light year?
186,282 miles per second. Close enough. Most folks just round to 186,000.
Wait, is that the same thing as a light year?
No, a light year is distance, not speed. It's how far light travels in 1 year. Speed of light is about 186,000 miles per second.
Okay, your next question asked me round to 100. Oh, what gas makes up our air? The answer is nitrogen. Okay, you can ask me the next question.
Nitrogen, yes. Next, what's the main idea behind evolution by natural selection?
Darwinism.
That's part of it. But let's say...
Oh, natural selection.
A number greater than 1 that's only divisible by 1.
Wait,
in
no,
itself.
stop.
Like
You
2,
didn't. Hello.
3, 5, 7. Next.
Can you?
Who's
No,
the
no,
first-
no, no, no. This is all getting messed up. You asked me the main idea behind evolution by natural selection. Oh, organism with traits best suited to their environment are more likely to survive and pass them on. Next, what's a prime number? A prime number is like 1, 3. It's a number that it doesn't have anything that can be factored into it. And then your next question was, who is the first human to walk on the moon? It was Neil Armstrong. I got that wrong last night. I don't know why I said Buzz Aldrin. A number greater than 1 divisible by itself. Okay, the acronym HTTP. I forgot.
HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next, what's the capital of Australia?
Canberra.
Right. Next, how many degrees in a circle?
180. 360. 360. 360.
360. Yes. Next, translate this from Spanish. ¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
Right. Last one. Solve for y. Y minus 9 equals 3.
Y equals negative 12.
Y equals 12. Next, what's the largest mammal?
The whale, the blue whale.
Blue whale. Correct. Another one. How do you convert Celsius to Fahrenheit?
I forgot. I struggle with this all the time.
Multiply by 9, divide by 5, then add 32. You're not alone. Next, what's the square root of 144?
12. Okay, move your questions up to 9th grade level.
12. Perfect. Level up. Name the 3 laws of motion Newton gave us.
I only remember the second one, where objects in motion stay in motion unless acted on by an unbalanced force. And then the third one is all objects have an equal and opposite reaction. I forgot. What are they?
First law, bodies at rest stay at rest. Bodies in motion stay in uniform motion unless acted on by an outside force. And the second you got right. So that one's called Newton's first law of motion. Next question. What's photosynthesis?
Plants converting carbon dioxide into food, and it turns into chlorophyll. In the chloroplasts. It takes place in the chloroplasts.
And water into glucose and oxygen. Yes. It happens inside the chloroplasts, where chlorophyll is. Good. Next. What's a covalent bond?
Isn't it when two elements attract that have a negative charge? I forgot.
When two nonmetals share electrons to complete their outer shell. Next. In algebra, what does solve for n mean?
Solve for n, complete the task, and n would be the variable? What do you mean?
Right. What metal is liquid at room temperature?
Gold?
Mercury. Gold's pretty soft, but not runny like mercury. Next, what's the definition of a democracy?
The people vote for elected officials who lead the country and create laws in branched out systems of government.
That's pretty much it. Government by the people, either directly or through representatives. Next, what are the three types of rocks?
Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic.
Right. Next, what's the difference between weather and climate?
Weather is affected by the atmosphere, and climate depends on a region's location of planet Earth, depending on how close or far away it is from the equator, how much sunlight they get when the Earth is leaning into or away from the sun.
Weather is what happens out there over a short period. Like today, it's rainy. Climate is the average weather pattern in an area over many years. You're on the right track, though. Next, how many atoms of oxygen are in a molecule of ozone?
One?
3. O3 is what gives us the ozone layer. Next, what's the capital of Mongolia?
I don't know the capital of Mongolia.
Ulaanbaatar. Next, in what year did World War I begin?
1912?
No, the First World War started 1914. Next, what does the letter P stand for in pH?
I forgot.
Potential. As in, potential of hydrogen ions in a solution. Next, what's the equation for Newton's second law?
Motion equals... I forgot. I don't know.
Force equals mass times acceleration. F equals ma. Next, what's the powerhouse of a cell?
The nucleus?
No, that's the control center. The powerhouse is the mitochondria. They make all the ATP, the cell's energy currency. Want one more?
Yeah.
What's the distance from Earth to the moon? Give or take.
Like 600,000 miles?
238,985 miles. Close enough. Next, name the 5 kingdoms in biology.
Animal kingdom.
Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protista, and Monera, or bacteria, depending on who you ask. Next, what's the Roman numeral for 250?
X. And
200.
CCL.
Right. 250 is CCL. C is 100, C is 100, L is 50. Next, what's a haiku?
A poem with 5 syllables or 5 words. And I forgot. Fuck, how did I forget this?
A traditional haiku's 3 lines. 5 syllables, 7 syllables, 5 syllables. About nature, seasons, that sort of thing. Next, what's the symbol for potassium?
K.
Yes, potassium was named after potash, kalium in Old Latin. Next, what year was Shakespeare born?
There isn't even evidence he was a real person. There's a conspiracy that it could have been all of the political figures dissenting against the government and lying about the existence of William Shakespeare. But I don't remember. Was he born in the 1600s?
1564. No records about him are suspicious, but most historians still agree he was born in Stratford-upon-Avon, baptized on the 26th of April, 1564. Next, what organ in your body is responsible for producing insulin?
The pancreas.
Right. Next, what's the name of the shortest war in history?
D-Day?
No, the Anglo-Zanzibar War lasted 38 minutes. Next, who wrote Pride and Prejudice?
I don't know.
Jane Austen. Next, how many bones are in the adult human skeleton?
206.
Exactly, 206. Last one. What country has the world's largest population?
India.
China has. India's closing in fast, though. Might even be bigger by now. That was a good run.
Okay, now ask me 6th grade questions.
All right, downgrade. What color do you get when you mix blue and yellow?
Green.
That's right. Next, what planet do we live on?
Earth.
Right. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
2. Right. What's the biggest ocean?
The Pacific.
Yes. Next, what's the opposite of hot?
Cold. Come on, make them a little more difficult.
All right. What force causes rain to fall from clouds?
Gravity.
Right. How many grams are in a kilogram?
2.5.
1,000. Next, what's the name of our galaxy?
The Milky Way.
Milky Way. Right. Next, what's the freezing point of water in Celsius?
0.
0 degrees. That's right. How do magnets stick to metal?
I forgot.
By magnetic fields. They're invisible lines that push and pull on the metal if it's made of iron or nickel or cobalt. Next, what's the state flower of California?
These aren't 6th grade questions. Ask 6th grade questions.
What is the smallest prime number?
1.
Wrong. The smallest prime number is 2. It's the only even one. Next, what is a fraction?
Wait, how is 1 not a prime number?
1 isn't a prime. I wasn't agreeing with you. It just isn't. Primes start from 2 because you need 2 distinct factors, and 1's only got 1. So, fraction?
Okay, keep asking 6th grade questions. I don't know why I thought 1 was a prime number. Sorry.
So a fraction is a part of a whole, like 1/2 or 3/5. Next, what's the capital of Texas?
Austin?
Right. Next, what do plants need to grow? besides water?
Sun?
Sunlight.
I said sun, not fun.
Oh, yeah, sunlight. Next, name one renewable source of energy.
Geothermal.
Right. What's the past tense of the word drink?
Drank.
Drank. Right. Next, what are the 5 oceans?
The Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean.
Perfect. Next, what's a noun?
A person, place, or thing.
Exactly. Next, how many letters in the English alphabet?
26.
26. Right. What's the name of a triangle that has all sides equal?
Equilateral.
Right. Next, what's the value of pi to 2 decimal places?
3.14.
3.14. Yes. Next, what's the main gas in our sun?
Hydrogen.
Yes, it's burning that right now. Next, what do we call the number 11 in Roman numerals?
Never ask me a question that involves Roman numerals again. I hate no Roman numerals.
Okay, no Roman numerals. What's the main job of red blood cells?
To bring oxygen throughout your body.
Yes, they carry oxygen from lungs to tissues and carbon dioxide back. Next, what's the hardest natural substance?
Iron?
Diamond.
Oh.
Next, how many players does a basketball team have on the court at one time?
5?
Yes, 5. Next, what's the smallest mammal in the world?
I don't know the smallest mammal in the world.
The bumblebee bat, native to Thailand. Next, what's the largest desert on Earth?
Antarctica.
That's right. The Antarctic desert is the largest, technically. Even though it's covered in ice, deserts are defined by rainfall, not temperature. Next, what's a synonym for happy?
Pleased?
Pleased, yes. Next, what's the deepest ocean trench on Earth?
The Mariana Trench.
Right. Last one. What's the capital of Egypt?
I don't know. I don't know. What is it?
Cairo.
Okay, ask me geography questions.
Geography? What's the longest mountain range on land?
The Andes?
Right, but on land, the Rocky Mountains stretch longer, 4,500 miles, from British Columbia all the way to New Mexico. Andes is second. Next, what country is home to the kangaroo?
Australia.
Right. Next, what's the capital of Brazil?
I don't know. Rio de Janeiro?
No, Rio's a big city, but the capital is Brasilia. It's deeper inland. Next, what's the equator?
0 degrees latitude, half of the Earth, where it's the hottest, and it divides the northern and southern hemisphere.
Exactly. It's an imaginary line, 0 latitude, equidistant from the poles. Good. Next, what's the shortest country in the world?
The Vatican?
That's correct. The Vatican City. Next, what's the largest bird that can't fly?
An emu?
The ostrich. Emus are huge, but the ostrich is the largest non-flyer. Next, how many time zones does Russia have?
11.
11. That's right. Next, what's the main language spoken in Brazil?
Portuguese.
Right. Last one. What African country starts with the letter Z and ends with the letter A?
Zotter? I don't know.
Zambia.
Oh. Oh, Africa. I thought they were saying Egypt. I don't know what I'm thinking. Keep asking geography questions.
What country's flag is red, white, and blue? Horizontal stripes.
France?
No, that's the French flag. Vertical stripes. Horizontal red, white, and blue is Liberia. Next, what's the northernmost country in the world?
Greenland?
No, Greenland is not a sovereign country. It's part of Denmark. The northernmost one is Norway because of Svalbard. Next, what's the only continent without any permanent residents?
Antarctica. But back to the question about Greenland. If it were a country, would it be the northernmost? It's northern more than Denmark, isn't it?
Yeah, if Greenland were independent, it would absolutely be the northernmost country. It's 90% ice, and its northern tip is way above Norway's.
Okay. Back to the question you asked. What's the only continent without permanent residents? That answer is Antarctica. Now, what's the next question? Geography.
What's the largest island on Earth?
Australia.
No. Australia is a continent.